doing today?
I'm fine. Thanks, Jonathan. And you?
I am very well. Thank you so much. I have a question. My question is, what do you something about your free time?
Yes, of course. Look,
What do you like doing in your free time?
I love it playing football twice.
Seriously.
My friends and also enjoy listening to music very much. Cook it, I clean my room and dislike watching TV for 9 hours.
Great. It's really interesting your activities in your free time, but the second question is, what do you like the very favorite activity?
I like playing football on Saturday and Sunday and take football fun and near my house and hello listening to music every afternoon. My bedroom, my tour. What are your favorite free time activities, Jonathan?
In my free time, it's really difficult because in the morning I am activities, for example, play football, play soccer, play basketball, and ECT, but including play video games and ECT.
Nice. When and where do you do those activities?
Okay. In daily, for example, Sunday, I am playing my computer. In the Monday, studying. Really, my free time is very interesting. I am difficult activities in today, in the Monday and Sunday.
Thanks for answering my question, Jonathan.
No, thank you, Giancarlo, for your question. It's very
Thank you.
interesting. Really interesting your activities.
See you. Bye.
Bye.